English with Moses.
Take your English to the next level.
Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Moses. This is the channel where you learn English in a simple, clear, and slow way. Here, we improve our English through stories, emotions, and real-life lessons. Today's video is a story to help you learn English through reading and listening. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Jim was a loving husband and a caring father. He worked hard every day to provide his small family all they need. His wife, Anna, was kind and patient. His little son, Ben, was turning 8 years old. Ben loved technology. He always talked about computers, games, and digital worlds. So for his birthday, Jim decided to surprise him. He bought a brand new computer. When Ben opened the gift, his eyes shined with happiness. He jumped into his father's arms and said, "Thank you, Dad. This is the best gift ever." Jim felt proud. He felt like a hero. But that gift slowly changed everything. One evening, after Ben went to sleep, Jim sat in front of the computer. He wanted to check if everything worked well. While clicking around, he discovered a game already installed on the computer. "Just 5 minutes," he said to himself. 5 minutes became 30. 30 minutes became 2 hours. The game was exciting. It made him feel powerful, successful, important. In the game, he was winning. In the game, he was escaping stress. The next night, he played again, and again, and again. At first, Anna did not worry. But soon, she noticed changes. Jim started going to bed very late. He woke up tired. He stopped talking during dinner. He stopped playing with Ben. When Ben asked, "Dad, can we play football?" Jim answered, "Not now, I'm busy." But he was not busy with work. He was busy with the screen. At work, things became worse. He arrived late. He made mistakes. He lost focus. His boss warned him, "Jim, this is not like you. What's happening?" Jim promised to improve. But at night, he returned to the game. He began to eat unhealthy snacks while playing. He stopped exercising. He gained weight. He had headaches. His eyes hurt, but he could not stop. He told himself, "I am in control." But he was not. One night, Ben stood quietly behind him. "Dad," Ben said softly, "do you love the game more than me?" Those words felt like a knife in Jim's heart. He turned around, and for the first time, he saw the sadness in his son's eyes. Anna was standing at the door, disappointed, tired, silent. Jim looked at the screen, then at his family, and suddenly, he understood. He was losing the real game of life. The next morning, Jim did something difficult. He unplugged the computer. He deleted the game. He set strict rules. No games during the week, limited screen time, family time every evening, outdoor activities on weekends. The first days were hard. He felt restless. He felt bored. He wanted to play. But instead, he walked with Ben in the park. He talked with Anna at night. He started exercising again. Little by little, his mind became clear. At work, his focus returned. His boss noticed improvement. His health slowly got better. But the biggest change was in his home. Laughter returned, conversations returned, and love became stronger. Dear listeners, addiction does not always look dangerous at the beginning. Sometimes, it starts with just 5 minutes. Jim learned that success is not about winning a virtual game, it is about winning your family's trust. Your health, your discipline. Thank you for listening and reading with me today. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English in a simple, clear, and slow way, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this message. This is English with Moses, where we learn English through life. See you in the next story.